everybody, it's Megan with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. Today we're going to be talking about the HandiQuilter Longarm events we have coming up in Arvada. They're going to be happening on April 6th and 7th and on April 8th. The event on the April 6th and 7th is going to be a 2-day hands-on event all about longarm quilting. You'll learn the basics of using a longarm as well as free motion quilting techniques and ruler work. On the 8th, we're going to be focused only on Pro Stitcher, so you'll get to learn what Pro Stitcher is all about, how easy it is to use it, and some of the fun applications you can use it for. So we've got Harriet and Lori coming from HandiQuilter, and we're very excited to have them, and we hope that you'll join us. For the 2-day event, it is going to be a $149 class fee, and for the Pro Stitcher only, it's going to be $49. Feel free to come join us for one or both events. We would love to have you. Sign up online, and we will see you there.